Model building is a hobby and craft that involves constructing detailed scale replicas of various objects, such as vehicles, buildings, airplanes, ships, or figures. Model builders use kits or scratch building techniques to create miniature versions of real-world or fictional subjects. Here are some tips for beginners on how to construct detailed scale models. 1. Choose the right kit. Select a model kit that matches your skill level and interests, whether you're a beginner or an experienced model builder. Start with simpler kits with fewer parts and basic assembly instructions to build confidence and develop your skills before tackling more complex projects. 2. Gather the necessary tools and supplies. Invest in essential modeling tools and supplies, including hobby knives, sprue cutters, sandpaper, glue, tweezers, brushes, paints, and a cutting mat. Organize your workspace with proper lighting, ventilation, and storage for your tools and materials to ensure a comfortable and efficient modeling experience. 3. Read and follow instructions carefully. Read the instructions provided with your model kit thoroughly before starting assembly to familiarize yourself with the parts, assembly sequence, and painting guidelines. Follow the assembly steps sequentially, and refer to the diagrams and illustrations in the instructions to ensure accurate placement and alignment of parts. 4. Practice proper assembly techniques. Use modeling cement or adhesive to bond plastic parts together, following the manufacturer's recommendations for application and drying times. Trim excess plastic from parts using hobby knives or sprue cutters, and sand or file down rough edges for a smooth and seamless finish. Test fit parts before gluing them together to ensure a proper fit and alignment, making any necessary adjustments as needed. 5. Pay attention to detail. Take your time to paint and detail your model carefully, using thin coats of paint and fine brushes to achieve precise and realistic results. Use reference photos or illustrations to replicate authentic colors, markings, and weathering effects for added realism and authenticity. Add additional details such as decals, stickers, or aftermarket accessories to enhance the appearance and accuracy of your model. 6. Experiment and learn from mistakes. Don't be afraid to experiment with different techniques, materials, and finishes to improve your modeling skills and achieve the desired results. Embrace the learning process and be patient with yourself, as mistakes and setbacks are inevitable but valuable opportunities for growth and improvement. Seek advice, tips, and inspiration from experienced model builders, online forums, tutorials, and resources to expand your knowledge and repertoire of techniques. 7. Display and share your work. Proudly display your completed models in a display case, shelf, or diorama to showcase your craftsmanship and creativity. Share your work with fellow model builders, friends, and family, and participate in model shows, contests, or online communities to receive feedback, support, and inspiration from the modeling community. By following these tips and practicing regularly, beginners can develop the skills and confidence needed to construct detailed scale models and enjoy the rewarding and satisfying hobby of model building.